exploring 5 fascinating aspects of Toucan's colorful world. 1. Vibrant plumage. Explore the kaleidoscope of colors adorning toucans, showcasing nature's artistic brilliance in avian form. 2. Iconic beak. Discover the remarkable features of their large, colorful beaks, which play a vital role in their survival and communication. 3. Ecological role. Learn about the crucial ecological contributions toucans make as seed dispersers and their impact on rainforest ecosystems. 4. Acrobatic abilities. Witness the agile and acrobatic nature of toucans as they navigate through dense forests with ease. 5. Symbol of the tropics. Uncover why toucans have become iconic ambassadors of environments, captivating hearts worldwide with their captivating beauty.